Hello students, today we will continue our grammar chapter 9 and as you know we have completed explanation of this chapter and today we will start exercise. We are having little more explanation with these two exercises, so let's discuss. I request you all, before we will start this exercise, please open your grammar class textbook page number 78. See here children, here exercise A, we are having here table. Look at the table and complete the sentences below using the adjectives given in the brackets. Now here with the sentences you will see down exercise are given. Here we have 15 sentences and each sentence we have bracket words. So we have to use that bracket words. Use the correct form as or er then or not as. So here we are having in the table some children's name and age, height and weight. Their age, height and weight are given. So we have to write according to that. So let's start. Number 1, Robert is as old as Mike. 2, Johnny is not as tall as Robert. 3, David is heavier than Johnny. 4, Mike is as tall as Peter. 5, Robert is heavier than David. 6, Peter is not as tall as Robert. 7, David is older than Robert. 8, Johnny is not as old as Mike. Number 9, Peter is not as young as Johnny. 10, Robert is younger than David. 11, Mike is as old as Robert. 12, Johnny is shorter than Robert. 13, Mike is as short as Peter. 14, Robert is taller than Mike. 15, Mike is as heavy as Johnny. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Now this exercise you have to write only in the textbook with pencil. Okay, I will send you PDF file also of this exercises, so you can write from that. Now after this exercise we have little explanation. We use the same structure when we make comparison using adjectives and adverb. For an example, here we are using same structure when we are making comparison using adjective or and adverbs both. So here we have examples. I will read for you. Nikhil ran as fast as Sandeep. I can do crosswords as quickly as you do. Ben ran faster than Nikhil. Or you can say like this also, not run as fast as Ben. Now we are having on the next page little more examples. Amber drives more carefully than Robert. Or the same sentence we can write this way also. Robert does not drive as carefully as Amber. Sachit ran faster or the fastest of all. Vinay works hardest in the office. Mary speaks English most fluently of all girls. I can't hear you. Could you speak louder or more loudly? We walked faster and faster. He drove more and more slowly. So I hope you understood these sentences. Now here we have 2 or 3 tables. Most adverbs take more and most. So neatly, for neatly we are using more neatly and most neatly. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. So here one syllable adverb, next one we are seeing fast, hard, late, soon, long and so on. Take er and est. Many of them are both adjectives and adverbs. Here we have examples in the box. Hard, harder, hardest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Long, longer, longest. Now note that adverb early, two-syllable word is there, takes er and est. So early, earlier, earliest. This way we have to write. So the adverbs well, badly and far have irregular comparisons. Now we have note here, the forms farther or further and farthest or furthest express distance. They are used as adjectives and adverbs. So here this farther, further or and farthest, furthest, this shows distance and we are using as an adjective also or an adverb also. We are having here example, Bengaluru is farther or further away than Mysore. Here we have used as an adjective. Next one, I walked farther or further than you. Here we have used as an adverb. Further or furthest, but not farther and farthest. Here we can use further or furthest, but farther and farthest we cannot use, right? Can express quantity. When we are using further or furthest, it is shows quantity. It can mean more. Example here is there. Are there any further questions? Here we have used as an adjective. And I was ill and couldn't work further. That we have used as an adverb. Now after this we have exercise on page number 79. It is going to start in the last lines. Here it is written A, but we will mention here as exercise B. Complete the sentences with the comparative or superlative form of the words given in the brackets. Now here we have sentences, we are having bracket words also, we have to write the correct answer. Number 1, I type more carefully than Ritu. 2, which boy in the class sings best? Number 3, prices have been rising faster than incomes. 4, if we don't walk more quickly, we won't be on time. 5, Nida is the most intelligent, but Grace works hardest. 6, of all the children, Iti writes most neatly. 7, he lives 3 kilometers further or further away from the office than I do. 8, we are playing worse than yesterday. 9, I got up earliest of all. 10, Dimpy cooks better than her sister. 11, which of the 5 girls can speak English most fluently? 12, the accident would not have happened if he had driven more slowly. So children, now you have to write exercise A, which is given on page number 78. You have to write only in the textbook, right? And exercise B, which is given on page number 79 and 80, that you have to write in the textbook also and in the grammar classwork notebook also. So only exercise given on page number 79 and 80, that you have to write in textbook with pencil, and also copy this exercise in your grammar classwork notebook and learn it well. Thank you.